In that direction is the harbor of Kos. You can't see it because a lot of trees and buildings are between us and the water because it's an archaeological park. But now the ruins of the AGORA come into focus. Now, just to know where we are biblically, we're in Acts 21. The Apostle Paul has left Miletus after he had met with the Ephesian elders, and he sailed one day's journey, as was his normal pattern. And one day from Miletus was to here, and it says in Acts 21, he stopped in Kos, C-O-S in your Bible, K-O-S in Greek. And right in front of me is the temple to Hercules, and right next to it is a temple to Aphrodite. And so Paul had to come here, find a place to stay, a place to eat, the public restrooms, the bathhouse, to take a bath, and there he was in the midst of this paganism for the gospel of Christ. I hope you know we're called to live in the world. We're not of the world, but we're called